This video, I'm going to teach you the way that you can create an account on Podimo. Welcome back everyone to a new tutorial video. If you don't know already, Podimo is a platform where you can subscribe and listen to premium podcasts. In order for you to create an account on Podimo, you'll need to download the app first of all. Once you have the app downloaded, open up the app. Now there are a few ways that you can create an account. Either you can use your Google account, your Facebook account, or your email address. If you tap on Google or Facebook, you just need to select your Google or Facebook account and you'll be immediately signed up. For this video, I'm just going to select the continue with email option. Type in the email address that you want to sign up with and then hit continue on the bottom right. Next, type in the name that you want to display on the Podimo app and then hit continue again. Lastly, you need to create a password for your Podimo account. So just create a secure password. Once you fill in all of these information, you can now hit continue again. Once you type in your credentials and created your account, you need to select a language to continue. I just select English. Select what you are using Podimo for. If you want both, you can select both of these options and then hit continue. Tap in select interests. And you can straight away follow a few podcasts if you like some of them, as well as some of the audiobooks. And there you go, just like that, you have now created your account on Podimo. I do hope this guide video did help you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up.